this is Sonny from Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just hopping on to help you set up for this week's memory verse. We are still looking at what true love is, God's love. We're looking at Romans 8 verse 38 to 39 this week, and it's quite a long verse. So break it up. As you can see, I have put certain things underneath each other, like no angels, no things present, no powers, nor anything else. So this is all together, and then will separate us from the love of God. So if you just sort of have this line or list rather of things that cannot separate us from God, I even make little pictures also, I'll show you later, to remember this verse. So yeah, so good luck with this verse. I hope it goes well. So this is the verse you're going to put behind your daily verse. So this is the verse you're going to concentrate on for the next week. Your old verse of last week, you're going to put on the even. So you can concentrate that on every second day of the week, the second, fourth, and so forth. Your old even verse, you're going to move into your odd section. And then your odd verse, you're going to move into your weekly section. I think we've done Friday last, so we're going to do Saturday. It doesn't really matter. So I can put behind Saturday, your old Saturday verse. You're going to move into your monthly section. So I'm actually realized here in the beginning, I don't really have so many verses here in the beginning, so I'm going to put behind the fourth. You can put it anywhere. For those who have been memorizing scripture with us for a while. For those who started this year, you are still just filling up your weekly section till we get to Saturday, or Sunday rather, and then we'll start filling up our monthly section. So I hope that helps. So yeah, tomorrow morning I will go to my book and I'm going to stuck my new review sheet over here and I will practice it. As you can see here, I've made little pictures last time when I memorize it. So yeah, just to remind yourself a little bit. So I'm excited to memorize this scripture again because yeah, this is one of the scriptures I'm struggling a little bit with. I can't remember it all, so it will be good to refresh it. So I hope that's helpful and may God bless you.